Understanding the documents is one thing, handling them well is another. This is where homeowners either lose control or lead confidently. The biggest project conflicts start with assumptions. I thought that was included. I assumed that was covered. I didn't realize that cost extra. Assumptions are expensive. If something feels unclear, ask early. Before materials are ordered, before labor is scheduled, before the wall is closed. Early conversations cost nothing, late corrections cost thousands. The earlier a change is discussed, the cheaper it usually is. Moving a wall on paper is simple. Moving it after framing is not. Good communication protects your budget. There's a difference between fair pricing and surprise pricing. Fair pricing explains labor. It explains material. It explains timeline impact. Surprise pricing shows up without clarity. When reviewing a change order, ask for transparency. What portion is labor? What portion is material? Does this add time? Clarity builds trust. If you add work, the schedule should adjust. More tasks require more coordination. More coordination requires time. Expecting added work without added time creates pressure, and pressure creates mistakes. But not every delay is reasonable. If materials were already approved, if scope hasn't changed, if the delay is internal, it's okay to ask questions. A punch list should be created near substantial completion, when most of the work is done. Not during framing, not during rough-in, near the finish stage. Final walkthroughs shouldn't be rushed. Walk slowly, look closely, open cabinets, test doors, turn on lights. This is your final inspection before payment closes out the job. Once final payment is released, your leverage decreases. The walkthrough is your moment to ensure the job meets expectations. Most construction conflict doesn't come from bad people. It comes from unclear expectations. Clarity reduces conflict. When you communicate early, review documents carefully, and walk your project thoroughly, you stop reacting and start leading. Make sure to like and subscribe for more contractor truths. Up next, part 5, your home, your control, empowering your project journey.